Good day everyone. This is my research proposed title, Increasing Crop Productivity with Novel Cropping System, an emphasis on sustainable agriculture methods. So what is novel cropping system? Novel cropping system is typically to improve overall crop productivity, enhance resources use efficiency, reduce environmental impacts, and increase resilience to climate change. This system obtain integrate multiple crops or species to maximize benefit and minimize risk, offering sustainable alternative to conventional monoculture farming. Introduction. As the world population endures to grow at an exponential rate, much more effort will be mandatory for sustainable population of agricultural produces, thereby improving food global demands, limiting food losses, and ensuring that all people suffering from starvation and malnutrition have access to nutritious food. The global agriculture system must become more prolific and waste-free. According to the most recent UN estimate, the population of the global could increase to over 8 billion people in 2030, 9.7 billion in 2050, and then peak at about 10.4 billion during the 2080s. Hence, annual food resource must balance the demand of the cumulative population in a sustainable way. For instance, to keep stride, the annual beef output must climb by nearly from 200 billion tons to 470 million tons, and annual cereal production must be increased to over 3 billion tons from 2.1 billion tons. Unless the otherwise, this will be definitely create the worst economic crisis in the world, which can trigger people to move around imploring with empty bowls to ensure food supplies for their survival. This prompts agricultural scientists and stakeholders to investigate various barriers that hinder crop production and develop strategies to address this issue while making the greatest use of available resources and technologies in order to meet the desired goal. Objective of this study: to examine how will new cropping system work in comparison to more than conventional techniques to increase crop productivity. Number 2, to assess the sustainability of novel cropping system in terms of soil health and water usage and environmental impact. To investigate the economic viability of implementing novel cropping system and commercial scale. To identify the key factors influencing the success of novel cropping systems such as crop selection, planting techniques, and management practices. Review RL or review of related literature. According to Xinjiang Du, excessive irrigation and nitrogen application have long seriously undetermined agricultural sustainability in North China Plain or NCP, leading to declining groundwater tables and intensified greenhouse gas or GHG emission. Developing low input management practices that meet the growing food demand while reducing environmental costs is urgently needed. Here we develop a novel nitrogen management strategy for a typical winter wet summer maize rotation system in the NCP under limited irrigation, wet sowing irrigation only or W0, or sowing the jointing irrigation with W1, and low nitrogen input to 60 kg NHA1, about 70% of traditional annual nitrogen input. Novel nitrogen management strategy promote efficient nitrogen fertilizer uptake and utilization by both crops via optimization of nitrogen fertilizer allocation between the two crops, increasing nitrogen inputs to wheat from 180 to 440 kilograms NHA, while reducing nitrogen input to maize from 180 to 100 kilogram NHA. Three-year field study demonstrate that integrated management practices combining novel nitrogen management strategy with limited irrigation increase annual yields and 50, 50 and by 1.5% and reduce TGA by 55 to 68 kilogram or CO2 equal and GHGI by 2.2 to 10.3% without any additional cost. Our results provide agriculture operators and policymakers with practical and easy to scalable integrated management strategy and offer a key initiative to promote green production and in the NGCP towards agriculture sustainable intensification with high productivity and efficiency, water conversion, and emission reduction. Thank you so much. Stop din yan.